Hey YouTube, today I have my new Poco F3 mobile phone, a smartphone. It's a 5G phone. It's by a company called Poco, which is a subsidiary, I think, for Xiaomi. Now this is there's the flagship phone. I have taken off the plastic that around because I wanted to see the phone. It has this yellow in the back. The specs that are down here, it's in a black color. It has 6 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of ROM, and it has the 870 Snapdragon processor, so it's a quite fast phone. I got this phone for around 300 euros, but it was an early bird version. Now it's around 400 euros. However, because this is a Chinese phone, this probably will go down in price as the months progress. Now it's April 2021 when I'm filming this video. So, welcome to the Poco family. Here we have this box here. Let's see what's in this box. It has some stickers in, some instructions, and the good thing is that it comes with a case, a plastic case, which is transparent. It's not the best one, but it's something. It has at least some case. You don't have to buy an extra case once you get the phone. Also, before we see the phone, it comes with a charger. It's a quite hefty one, and it comes also with a plug. Okay, it's a USB type C, I believe. And what else does it come with? Oh, it also comes with this thing here, which is a USB type C to 3.5 millimeter adapter, so you can put your headphones, your old school headphones, to this. So this is the phone. It says Qualcomm's White 75G processor, which is a very strong processor. 128 Hz AMOLED display. This is a very good thing to have, an AMOLED display, and also 120 Hz means that the refresh rate is very fast. Dolby Atmos speakers and 48 high resolution triple camera. On the back here we have the camera, 48 megapixels, which is not very big resolution, but it says that probably because it's a flagship phone it will have good picture quality. So let's take off this thing here. At the back it has a glassy surface. I don't know if it has fingerprints. Probably it will get fingerprints. Also at the front, a glass. I believe it's Gorilla 5 glass. And as I said in the beginning, it comes with this case, so that's nice to have. And also, what I forgot to mention is that it has this needle kind of thing, so you can put the SIM card or the storage card down here. So the speakers are down here, the SIM card goes in here, and also the USB port is here. Probably this is the volume, for the volume up and down. This has a fingerprint sensor here on the side, which I think is very convenient, or maybe it's an on and off button. I'm not so sure about that because it's a new phone for me. Let's try to open this up. Let's see if it has battery in it, and yes, it has. Let's compare how thick it is compared to my Samsung A5. It's for a telephone from 2017, so yeah, it's a bit older. But as you can see, it's not very big. This is just 5.5 inch. It's not very big. MIU 12. Let's see. Now we will do the setup. So from the beginning, one good thing is that it says that you can transfer your data from your old phone to your new phone, which is a good thing to have. So after around 5 to 10 minutes, it takes you to set up without a SIM card, to synchronize your Google accounts and your emails and stuff like that. So yeah, as you can see, it's a fast phone. It has pre-installed some apps like Netflix, or you can see here I see Facebook and Jules and Booking and other stuff like that. But perhaps I had those already installed on my own phone. I don't know. It has a compass. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's how that thing works here. And of course, one of the reasons you buy a new phone is for the camera. The camera looks quite good. It has HDR mode, artificial intelligence mode, it has video portrait mode. So after a few days, well, I'd like to make this video a little bit more interesting to tell you, share about my experience with the phone so far. So the phone, it has this, as you see, the different wallpaper. It is pre-installed in the phone with Thunderbirds and stuff like that. But anyway, the phone is very fast, as I said in the original video. I have installed some apps that I would find more useful here. Now the good thing is that the battery life, you see, it says here 82. Although it's 4,500 milliamps, which I don't think it's that much, but it's not that little. Anyway, it makes a full day with full use of social media and camera stuff. The camera, let's see some photos here. So the camera, I've made some photos. I don't know if you can see the quality, but from what I've seen when I uploaded the photos, everyone said that the quality is almost like iPhone, if not 12, iPhone 10, 11. It's a very good quality pictures. I may be over exaggerating, but compared to my old phone, I think it's this has a very good picture quality. As I said, it's very fast. Now, one thing you should notice that when you get the phone, it's in 60 Hertz, the refresh rate. So you have to go to the settings here and adjust it to 120 Hertz. Now, the bad things are that although it's 120 Hertz, you can see it's lagging. Perhaps something was to do with Google or with the internet connection, but I've seen it in other videos as well. It's a bit laggy when you're scrolling, although the experience overall is very fast. And one other thing that I've seen a lot is when you're typing in some chat box or when you're typing in general, I don't know if it's going to do it now, but sometimes the center button, it gets pushed for no reason at all and it gets you to the main screen. Of course, it saves your original typing. We've not typed anything, but okay, it did not happen this time, but it has happened to me where I'm chatting in Facebook, in Messenger or Instagram or stuff like that. So yeah, this protection is quite good, although it's a bit, it gets scratched and stuff like that, so you better get a better protection for the screen. Also, it has another, I don't know if you can see it, but it also comes with a very thin screen protection. And yes, in general, I'm very pleased. It's quite thin compared to my old phone, although it has a casing, has these big cameras in the back. And yeah, that's about it about the Poco F3. I'm gonna put some photos, probably make a video concerning the video camera of this phone. Okay, thanks very much. Please subscribe and like.